Now I will show you how to create a page and its content. We are currently on Squarespace's main options, but for this case we will click Pages. And then here we're brought to different sections. So right now this is the main navigation section, and this includes different links that viewers and users can see upon entering the website, as well as the not linked section where guests and users cannot see these links upon entering, but can view them either by creating a search engine URL search, or by clicking on a different link and seeing a hyperlink connected to these pages. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to click Add a Page, which will fall under, in this case, the About section. And then here, there are different layouts to choose from depending on what type of content you'd like to create. For this example, I'm going to click Blank. And then here, we just created our new page. So here, I'm going to pretend that we're adding an additional About Us page. Click this. We're brought to the new screen with our new link and the page attached. And you have different options, including adding a banner perhaps on the top of half or top third of the page. For this case, I'm going to click Edit. And over here is where you'll be focusing on the most. So this is the plus sign that means to add a content block. And there are different types of blocks. So basic ones like text, quotes, pictures, videos, as well as certain layouts if you choose to do so. Another layout, which is the gallery, if you are looking to post different pictures on the page. A summary, which is nice if you wanted to make it more separate, as well as create an interactive tool so that there's a different layout for each of your pictures per se, different links. And then other supplementary options too include forms, maybe a calendar that shows different events that you're conducting. Here you can put charts to interact with users, or even create social media blocks so that people can go directly to your social media page. Okay, so here I'm just going to click text for my example. And you can type anything you would like. And as you can see, many of these options are similar to what you would find in, per se, Microsoft Word. What you can do, and that I'd urge you to look out for, is the little hyperlink button, and this can be found throughout your editing process in other areas. But this is a great way to link different websites for the user to go into. So here, and then you would just type in the website that you'd like them to navigate to. Here, it's on the standard version of formatting, but you're able to switch the type through the heading options. As well as, going back over here, you can separate your different content so it doesn't look too cluttered or clunky. One tool that our team used a lot was the line or the spacer. And we'll just do a couple more examples. So I'm going to add an image. Here's the Common Vision Coalition logo. I'm going to click Apply. We can also add different content next to different content as well. So if you didn't want it to be so structured as in one's here, one's here, one's here, you're able to actually edit it so that it can appear next to it. And then let's do one more example just to show you how it works. So as you can see, it's very user-friendly. As soon as you click a different content option, it includes it at the bottom of the page, and you're able to move it however structure you would like. And it does give you different options here too. So it's always cool to navigate the different options provided in each content block. Okay, so let's pretend that we wanted to save this. Click Save. It's under our About link. And then if I wanted to delete it, I can simply just click Delete and confirm. So just to provide an example of what you can do creating content, I'll bring you to the Familias de la Comunidad. And then here's a more finished product. So I was able to use the different headings here, the different spacers, special buttons next to different content, more lines, pictures attached to these areas down below, as well as linking different websites here to the diction that you added on the content. Okay, perfect. So we will continue on with our next episode.